Amandla. Viva EFF, viva. Aiole, EFF, aiole. Tata, EFF, tata. Auwe mucho mashori, auwe mucho Cyril Ramaphosa, auwe. Amandla. Pele kapuso EFF, pele. Pele kapuso EFF, pele. Amandla. Yalaboa, Secretary General, le all officials, Baba Bente Mona, Relaboa, our Secretary of the Province, le Chairperson Yaruna, ya Province, Relaboa Hape, le our candidates from all 9 wards, because EFF is ready, Huluanantwa, Kadi 15 January. We also want to greet all members of Parliament and the Central Command team. Also take this opportunity to thank all those who came here, Moma Musa, her Secretary General Ari, the Central Command team, lady members of Parliament, Iyanko Mamusa, Rolwana Unkapuso, Yamamusa. We thank you for your contribution and your commitment. All our ground forces, the chairperson, secretaries of branches, members of the BCTs, and all ground forces, this work is possible because of you. Kaufela, the branch EFF, members of the EFF, today Moma Musa, from corner to corner, Bafila EFF. From corner to corner, the red flag is flying high and it is unstoppable. Comrades, Hartolempele Resebeta, because Batbama Musa, Babata change. But more than change, Batbakoma Musa, Babata a party that they can trust. Because Habasana Tsepo, Kodi Politiki. Haritsamai. Rekena motse kamotse but bar corona le na di politician le a tshwana ha ba bui maka ba bua nnete re a tshwana ka o fela di politician ha re na nnete mara rona ko EFF re try over a different politicians re batla o ithuta o re be di politician tsa nnete tse tsamayang ko nnete tse di buang nnete the exposing corruption and wrong things all over South Africa. Because how can now the politician in Tswana, you will be living in denial. We are all the same. Botswana labor men are trash. We are all the same. Uskahana, Rea Tswana. Salebar Botor no, Aula Swanchube Munnam fan. What is to be Munna? They should have taught us, Raola, you must be a human being, not Monna. Because being a human being, you'll see everybody as an equal. You will never start a journey to self-correct. How can the politician you will never accept a problem. Therefore, let's start a journey to self-correct and become better politicians. Rekwala di bicha ANC. Car ANC ki ona bat ba itsebang ha ba re bona ba no yo. Lele na le tswa ANC. You are one thing. So we must educate society that we might be coming from drunkard parents, but we don't want to be drunkards. We might be coming from parents who are engaged in domestic violence, but we don't want to engage in domestic violence. We might be coming from parents who harass women and beat up women, but we don't want to do that. Don't kill us on the basis of the sins of our parents. We want to be better versions of our own parents. So Arien Rikene Habat Barru Abalwale Rona is not because EFF ENZ Poso. Reshwela Dibi tsa ANC ye e utswitseng tšhelete tsa batho ya utswa mafase a batho ya utswa di-RDP tsa batho ba utswa di-social grants tsa batho. Today ha ba bona politician ba no re you are all the same. So we in the EFF want to become better politicians. Re batla mo Mamusa mo ho be le flushing toilets all over. There should not be a single family without a flushing toilet. Because toilet ya flusher as a luxury, ki dignity. No one deserves a toilet ya mokoti. Why? If you doubt that, show me one white person what toilet ya mokoti. Now come kriya ko plasing in a remote farm whose number to mo ilintwe wani ya farmer. There is no pit toilet. Bana le flushing toilet. Why? Makhuwa haba ketibale hore ke batho. How ka tlagana le hopo ya lekgowa ke le ka kopana le yona ko Polokwane e re ko nna re mphe 100 rand ke be ke thabile go bona hopo ya lekgowa ke re e re ke mo fe 100 ke mmontsho rain charge no re tshwere. Hey, on the second thought karmara we shakai 100 rand away. You want 100 rand for what? Arno ke bosiu ke phakisa dikoloi today no sabereke. I need 100 rand because una le accommodation 100 rand kwa ina le metsi, not metsi fela, metsi a chisang. Hopo ya lekgowa e batla o robala mo ina le metsi a chisang, una le motlakase ha ke tibale le ile hopo o re ke lekgowa. Wena a o hopo a una metsi, wena a o hopo a una electricity, a una toilet flushing. Mara, a white hobo never forgets that I must respect myself. I can't sleep on the pipes. Mara rena moris na maids, rena moris na the toilet, rena mo mikuku nelang. Haritwa saying with all that pain, Ratamaya, Rayo Votela ANC, ye rebele mo mikuku yes na maids. Why? Because we don't have self-respect. How ke tlhomphe, how ke ponika next. That's why unamos nameti hankebo ke tlhompa. Just after 1994, habasa kenye meti. No, Lord, this thing stops now. Nerelefa chance ka Mandela. It looks like you are undermining us. We must start behaving like white people. Don't ask for less. Anything less is not worth our attention. Why Renamo Mamusa mo Hariamo Tropo? There is no single house without a flushing toilet. No single house without water. Mara, just across the road, we have people without water. Media fita most country mo akata. Why can't they extend the town pipe into the township? Renale Makwa renew the same water. And if the water is not enough, I feel it ropo, if so that we are all the same. They will never make you share water with whites because you are going to finish Metia Makwa. And Makwa ba Trumpampe. How not Makwa nas na meti, but these black people. But one about electricity in most cases, ubone itamaya, ijamba village, ikeneko famung, iconnectele kuwa, itamaya kilometers, ijamba village, it's in another farm to connect one family of a white person. And why? Because that white man will never accept nonsense. I'm not going to stay in this farm without electricity. When now una meti, wapara skipper say yellow, u defend the ANC with all its mess. how fetcha we are go toileteng ya dibuko. The only thing about feeling yona ki yuala after we are the poster ja ANC. You think that is life because you don't respect yourself. It's not even great A namaon. Chicken cheto. It's a Mawiya nonsense. Start respecting yourself. But Mama Musa, Kelona leka stop and nonsense ye. Nakitswa Polokwane, ke sebetsa Joburg and Cape Town. Ha ke fetsa bua mo ke a tsamaya. The problem remains with you. You are the solution to the problem. Sometimes lena le tsamaya le blame the politician, le re politician di utswa tšhelete, politician a di re fi matlo, ha ba re fi metsi. Hey, stop blaming politicians and start taking responsibility. How can stop our votela? They will stop their nonsense of stealing the money because they steal the money with your vote. You give them power to undermine you. How re batla malema cannot I solve? I only have one vote. With one vote, there's nothing I can do. We need many malemas here. The fearless ones, the ones that get into a voting booth, uteneka mola uvaya uliwan, usabwili moto, unge ballot paper ya hao, ubete grosso uri, enough is enough. Or today ya fela nyosomo. This is the end. Akiba truth siba, lankai vote lakili one EFF. As long as toilet yadi buku, ikasibeli di buku ka vote yaka. Ikasibeli di pothole ka vote yaka. Bana ba trowela komikoting yadi maini ka leader la vote yaka. If people die, let people not die in the name of my vote. Hemutuar arisebets. When now you must be proud, or at least they are not unemployed. Ka vote yaka. Mara today, go family how you've got a relative who sale apasa metric, apasa tertiary qualifications, asebet, style uteni lisona sa ANC, sa Domkopo, sebe spalla legi history, au kapalla legi history Domkopo ya mafelelo. Because history I change. But which your question, when did Jan van Riebeeck arrive in South Africa? The answer is the same, 1652. Mara Domkopo no grand not. Yar 52-16. Domkopo ANC, opposite. White man twegi Domkopo. It's very chelete. It's a maga PM. It's a maila odimu Domkopo. Kabaka laur e connected. Lema ANC. Ija lema ANC. Uirilwe ka connection, uirilwe ka surname, uirilwe ka skete, uirilwe ka utsamaya. I wadi tota supra mahuma pilo. Wena with your qualifications, awiri. You must have a relative. Kako maspale. How's not relative okay? How's a dunose okay? Uskaba dumu setanzo don't talk a man not about Halava ANC. But about Ferry Agadi former Jadi Mereko, Lady former Jadi Bazari, Abasa, Ba West, Yalo Noble Bazari, Banaga Mutua Dumu se, Banaba Urbatole Bazari, Ibodi Lentobarki ANC, Ifedile, Baba Tlaudunu Seta Kivana, or Baba Nedi Bazari. Ntwe waitiba wena uboni bana baba ngwe out of desperation batunusa why ntwe sa utlisi butluku wena urutunusa haifele kalabra rufedisha tunusa arisa bata tunusa uthole msebenzi arisa bata tunusa uthole bazari haifele ntwe kalabra. You know those things. You know the victims of these people, yet you continue to vote for them. Kelena lebaiting kamaina ibile lebabita orgebo bras mama because they are good at doing wrong things. So Wednesday, kiwena let the future of Mamusa ha le batla batho ba mo ba tswele pele ka toilet tsa dibuku ka toilet tse tletseng tse cleaniwang fela ha o na le funeral ba o service ha o shwele ha o phela ba o service. What type of government is this one? Ha ba o fe metsi ke bophelo ha o na nto ka etsang ntle le metsi. And ha re batle metsi fela re batla metsi a tlhwekileng a nang le bophelo, not metsi a o to destroya meno a o bolaisa bana mmala. Ha re batle metsi a kudisang batho, re batla clean water. We can get clean water here in Mamusa. Mara somebody somewhere is not willing to give us clean water because cheletela ya metsi ba tsama ba ija ba hira di company tsa o deliver metsi ka ditraka. Ha re wa cheka traka tse ke tsamaya ke tsa cousin ya municipal manager or councilor or mayor. Why will they give you water? Because abaka lefa metsi tendera ya ditraka ya fela. So baka sa ya chelet. So you know all those facts. Dikolo tsa rona mo bana ba wela ka mara di pit toilet. Hona le di open mind tse bulwang batho ba rena ba zama bana ba shwetse ka moo. Mara how you vote or votela the party that kills our children. How tsamaya ko ya ko Amelia, how tsamaya we ya ko what one. How fitla pula enile, how tsene ba re no ambulance a eme ko main road. Le na motho a kulang a ba motlise main road. Bana ba pusang khono a bona a yo shwela ka moara wheelbarrow ba mo isa ko main road. Mme wa moimana wa swanetseng gore a deliver ha ba re ambulance, there is no ambulance. How re ka mo hona le clinic ba ba beng fortunate ba na le clinic ka 4 o'clock o ikwetse o ka rebele until 4 o'clock. Why equala ka 4 o'clock re tswere ke ditlaela di bari ha di tsibore batho ba kula anytime. O equala why we equala ka 4 o'clock? Because there must be a clinic and an ambulance on standby. Or amutu agena mo clinic ha le more complicated agena mo ambulance ba mo ise to the main hospital. Ke kopane le mme o mongwe re sebetsa mo Mamusa a tsamaya ka wheelchair a rona ile clinicing a emetse ambulance e tlo monka a ye to the main hospital. Ha re 4 o'clock bar ambulance e so fitli tsamaya ya hai ha tswa ka wheelchair a pusha ya hai ke a pula ena. She's between home and the clinic. A ka se khutlele clinic kwetso. That's the life of disabled people. A government that says to a disabled person, Zamaya utlaeta udibona ona mo. This person came at Ama Ali 1. I met another woman, Asna Mautu, go Northern Cape. Akuka ke munna wa hai, wa mokhalabe, ha batla ya toilet, umisha ko pushing kwa into the toilet. Kabe ke hauna problem banna, hauna cancelaramu. Because this is a special case. High Batley national government, High Batley anyone, a councillor here must know this family and must do something about it. Why basamutushi meola, hauna tender, as it tender to you. Bonaba kena mo nan le tender thing. I snatch chelete gamohari abaikin. They are not part of any solution which does not involve money. So Mamusa, Wednesday, it's your second chance. Watwa modimo le ratile la toito ya la protesta la bala chisa le di office tsa masipala ba le mamela ha ba sno le mamela ba le first second chance. Ale guy mess up and know it's your own problem. Hari tamoka 2021 retueta door to door ya another local government. How car toilet R9 already buku? My response will be unorgete. Agro no nale chance. Wadala gayona. War went out to Ale Mandela fair. Usamotibile Mandela. ha o tse Mandela o mona mo poster mo o nnetse re tswa fere le Mandela a sa le teng o robetse Mandela wena o tswa fere le Mandela nna le Mandela o le dibuko tse tsa toilet ya hao mara anke bo tseba what is good for you. You missed that chance in 2016. You missed that chance again in 2019. Baufa chance immediately can New Year 15 January. At least the New Year resolution. You are not loyal to them. Be loyal to this one. Your New Year resolution yaga new vote. Akesata makan tota ANC. Ketsamaka a new direction because I want to be a new person. Yes. Comrades, how kitata ole motomons okasi negotiate second hand. No ever for the RDP kernama matomo baring outchan. Ever RDP or outchan. Why? Because you think you deserve worse. That's why or outchan. Nga RDP house about faki uinke or auna problem motswana re tla ba re sa emetse matlo re sa lemo because RDP house asinto is a glorified mokoko. It's not a house. How ka cheba dinto tse agileng ki apartheid government mo these are emi dintse bonkgono ba rona Batanna ke batswadi ba rona ho nna rona no bana ba rena ba sa tlo kena ka mo. You can't say the same thing RDP house e chika me yemeso e emetse fela storm yo wele di krekile ka fela. We can go to all of them adina a year or two in a le crackers. That's what they specialize with. How feta or outwan. Because you think you deserve worse. Why? Because you hate yourself so much that you don't love nice things for yourself. Toilet inside. And not just toilet. Yau flasher. Yau bali di camera not less than 2. Yabana, yabat baba wall. Yau bali passage. Munyakwa bana ubekwa. Wabatwa hulu ubekwa urareta ntotsa teng bana ba ska utlwa ntotsa batho ba baholo. So RDP ya ANC yao agiwa ka one brick how le kamo ngwana a le kamo ha le thoma o tshwarana mme wa teng a re hihi ngwana wa responda mama ke kamo. Why? You can't build a house with a single brick. That's why we use 2 or 3 bricks to divide the rooms so that there is privacy. Bana bagula ilibana basi exposed to the things of old people. No, harna dignity. Bana bagula bale traumatized. Bana bagula with trauma. Habatama mabola batu with anger. Why bana baba is so angry? They've never been treated like children. They were exposed to old people things at an early age. So we want proper houses. Urawa go tropong kwa lejo jaiva busiu utoti mutunyana aska o latla khone au latla ko jardin or go lapeng ke mo mara today ka se go lapeng ke mo ka RDP emiso. You are ashamed of your own home. We want to give you houses that will make you proud, that will restore your dignity, that will not make you ashamed. How Fitla fell out, this is where I stay, because we have restored your confidence. We have restored your dignity. We have treated you like a human being. And in a small yard. We want proper yard. Because you can't extend it. RDP house is not alpha and omega. Ke starter pack. Re swantse ro fe charata o ra bereka we extend. How about o kenya phulu? How about it's a garden? It's a garden. You can't do a garden in a small yard. Tamako tropo o shebe dintlo tsa maburu na sokola. O na le di RDP by the way. Makgowa told the RDP during apartheid. Go and check their yard. Go Polokwane where the whites got RDP houses from apartheid government. Their yard is not less than 2,000 square meters. Rena, if you exceed 200 square meters, you are lucky. Double story because you don't have a yard. The foundation of the RDP is not strong enough to carry another house on top. So you are condemned into a permanent poverty. Kurba for RDP because we're not close so called away. That's why for PCA Yanto Lipisana Uishaka Island you will never use it because you are going to die poor. The next one after is going to die poor. It's a generational curse. No one will ever come out of poverty. Illicit black people. Rofa Jarat. Rariazibor Ndwegi starter pack. Auto Shela Kamu. Luana Loka Palelwa. Banaba, how we are going to give them free education until tertiary. Haba feta mola batlo tolam sebeti. Before by ya anywhere, they must come and resolve the black tax. Bao agalen ya uboncha or mutwadi waruna utwamu. We must give you a big yard so that we fuel your dreams. Without a big yard, you will never dream because utar lengar kibatao arantu kitai arakai. But once we give you a big yard, we allow you to dream. I'm going to build 2 garages here. The yard allows you to dream. The land must allow you to dream. Don't be locked in poverty, in a permanent state of poverty. We don't want that for black people. That's why EFF, Hai Buagabat Babans, Rebua big things. Arbuin Totenyan. How to go EFF? What are you going to do with social grants? Are you going to cancel them? No, we don't cancel them, we double them. Why must we cancel them? Rabatabon Konuga Motente, Cheletialo, Nayamutendere, Dabola. Tole chelete ngata hausana moto aswantse le tshwara hampe re batla chelete e kolona. Why? Ha chelete is a ko dipokotong tsa poor people, there is enough money for criminals. That's why by utswa ke ngata re batla o inkari kenye ko dipokotong tsa bonkgono le ko dipokotong tsa bana ba tlhokang batswadi. How much should your government? There's nothing left. Every charity is in the pockets of poor people. They are enjoying their taxes. We want to be like Gaddafi. Gaddafi go Libya. How no nyala go Libya one is? But about fall land, about level land. Babao village pocket man, you go and start your family. Maramo unyala moriozor matat. EFFs occupy land, dear backyard. Arinya about Baunyala lagadi backyard, Renaka only fall fast. About Baba Fita more South Africa. The first thing ever in killing, kill a fast. Ask yourself why. If Barco wena, little uncle fast, you are useless. Or why in Kidele fast if the fast is useless? The second thing about in Kidele, they took away African education and instilled in us an education that will make us inferior. Harigitepe, Babu Timunano, Toye by Bula, Bancha our brains and instilled fear. Hardly saw Autepe Mutomotsu. Abagabata na Dr. Marion Chalino, go Dr. Watana, black doctor, Uru Kwechigam. Ebagaru, don't have you again injection, keep Nese Yamutomutsu. ha o le monna o tšhaba o tšola o re a ka ntlwaela mara ha o tsena ngwanyana wa nnese wa lekgowa o tšola a sa le le mading he banna motho o nyaka go bonela ke makgowa o phela. You don't trust black people. It is not because of you. It is the type of education they've instilled in us. I won't say because how get wena. That's how they've done it. They've made us to hate ourselves. Regetloile. Mo what six mo but ba bolayana. Moto a bolayela or omohatile. Arwa ngata wena. One trial and chetty about hlabe. Because you are a black person. Babulayana batur unshebile you are one shebaso. Unchati about hlabe obulay. Wa kena mo sandumedish unchati pa obulay. Le khwali fitle le motrape le rewe. Wa tsama mo plasim busi what are you doing? Pa. He will never take out the knife on a white person. We rapela go bona re sa tsebe motho wa tseba a sa tsebe Africans we bolela ka dingo that day or Bas John as ka mmolaya mara Bas John o lwa ka di face. My brother has got a knife. He will never take out a knife on a white person. Mara on a black person you take out a knife on looks, on simple things. Why? It's a self-hate. The first thing black people must do ke ukitata o bontsha hore re ke that re votela party ya re fa di toilet tsa dibuku year in year out. Why are re ke that? Re votela party ya se re fe metsi year in year out. Why are re ke that? Re nna go mikhukhu dipula di anela bana ba palla ku ya sekolong kaosane dibuka di kolobile. We don't see anything wrong. Tomorrow we go back to vote for the same party. Why? We don't love ourselves. You don't love yourself so much to know, or I can't stand for this nonsense. Love yourself. Abagabia male mamu babia le khoamo ba fast tunya ba choose motho ba tlango mothunya utunya male. Because you are not liberated up here. But what South Africa babarata makgoa bona baba nna ba ntlhoetse hore ba hey malema o tlo dia hore makgoa a tsamaye ha ba tsamaye ba nna ke dienga makgoa ye lo re a tsamaye. It's none of my business. Ha ba tla ka o tsamaya ye wena mola o tshwantse ba prepare hore hey this malema ha ka kuba makgoa wa bona famwe ye yona ke makile ha le tswa fela ke a kena ke nna ke tswela mpele ka family. No malema o tlo kuba makgoa re thola ka mesebetsi yo makgoa teng mo ha o sebetsi. 10% of the population controls 90%. Why? Because they've instilled fear in the mind of the 90%. Ntoma Thomo Sanji with ye black man. Kewur agereba ruta kwa geregembar ntutoma Thomo Sanji chabe mudim. Ntoma Thomo Sanji with ye black man. Go se chabe lokhoa. That's where you are going to get liberated. Okay, tate wena ale khoa le kolela nonsense or go repeat mo. Unori so please Hama Nigeria are excited drugs in that house. You attack with everything. You attack with everything. But white people committed genocide. White people took your land. White people raped our people. White people continue to attack black people in Kolini. They killed them and say they were mistaken them for monkeys. But sunflower, all of you have never combined yourself and went to attack white men. But when it is a black man, it's easy for you. You are killing Nigeria. You are killing Zimbabwe. Why? You suffer from self-hate. Hauna le Zimbabwe le bolaile motho la re ke baboon. Hauna le Zimbabwe le bolaile motho la re utsitse sunflower. Mara le thoma xenophobia le better le Zimbabwe o ka re le bolaile ngwanenu. But the people who have killed your own brothers, you have never raised a hand on them. Le palla lo ku thuba di statue tsa bona le ba tshaba magwa le be le ba tshabele mo di statue ha le ba bona. You can't even collapse the statues of white people. That's how much you are scared of them. Why? You hate yourself. You must start loving yourself. Etomagadi 15. Black man, how tomo keria fela mirror. Look at yourself in a mirror. Or today, I'm going to start loving this guy. There's nothing that is going to happen which is of less quality to this guy. This guy deserves much better. Everything quality, everything long-lasting must be given to this guy. How feta mola utamako mirror, because you can't see yourself. There is no longer a mirror. You're going to see the next black person. When you look at that next black person, you see yourself and say, this is me. The pain of this person is my pain. The suffering of this person is my suffering. We shall fight this fight together until we emerge victorious. Comrades, black people, we are relatives. Nagero go bonako what one. How we are Limpopo. Hona le batho ba Mokwena. Ke Mapedi. How tamo Botswana mo northwest. Hona le Mokwena. Ke Batswana. How we are Free State. Hona le Mokwena. Ke Basotho. That's how much relatives we are. Once, because we never had surnames. These surnames were given to us by these people so that they can locate us and tax us. We are relatives. When you attack one of your own, you must know that later you will be told that was your cousin. So how just know this is my brother, this is my sister. We shall protect one another because we are engaged in the same struggle. Whether a black person in America, a black person in the UK, a black person here in South Africa, we are all facing the same challenges. Because of the color of our skin. And if we can't unite and protect each other, they will continue to undermine the dignity of African children. It starts here in Mamusa. Arieng, Wednesday, everyone who's here, make sure all those who are registered to vote, who are making history, Kalabrar. Rebatao Khutamo today, Halayad Ijo today, Haunanama today, Rebatao Khutar Yenam. Rebeshenamamo, Ritale music, Hauna speech, Recelebrate victory arena after Ritzia Mamusa on Wednesday. Mararka Sinke Mamusa, Letarbona TV. Rita Khutardo Batlam. Mo maspale mwadi teacher ANC. But by ANC, but our bolaya because Labana Barishe Morao everywhere we go. But I got it Raga Jeja Bonali defend Regwaga Chelta Utsuai. Maukodio. The Furdom just Sebonana. You bloody fool. But even Narba Chave. The EFF is the most peaceful organization. Maraurinyagar Utarkeria. Rababata one by one, two. Rincheme Noir VFS. Arichabe Moto, Arichabe Ulwa. We don't start the fight. We fight through our ideas. We fight through our brains. They can't think. We think on their behalf. They follow. Kirinaba Matomo Barilem Pravin, Usancha Tamaye, as a minister who are senior, Barbita Mabito. Today, everybody or Pravini must go. Can need Pravin must go. Kitsotsi, Yelongore Berakale Makua, Utswa the company Musho, Adifa Rupert, Adifa Oppenheimer, Adifa the Minel family, but Jerry the company South Africa, but the collapse because Makua Aswanchi Abue through back door, but the Batwara economy of South Africa. Motor Gore na Ori, SAA is not making profit. Profit for what? Show us how many airlines in the whole world make profit. Arinyaki SAA yao dia profit. Rinyaka SAA yao ke sustain yona. Yao not yao sukhopele chelete ka. Ha musho uka sibeli di flying machine. Naluena aria Cape Town train. Kare di flying machine di ka own ke private companies. They are going to be expensive and with an owned company or government. Still, azanga wainamela flamachi. Imagine a government rekisha isha in a private hands. Ukatwile wainamechi like your grandmother and grandfather. Utabaya libitli. Unetur hey arinya SAA arinya ichiachele. It makes it possible for black people to fly. Because without a subsidized airline company owned by government, black people will not afford to fly. Barno Eskom bodile isinyeile unale load shedding babata kwana Eskom baje kampanela baife Patrice Motsepe sebara sa Cyril Ramaphosa rena re thomo reka motlakas ko Patrice Motsepe reka se dumele ntwe. But today we are making a load shedding because Malata atapile. Heaven. Kekale mosmo South Africa rebali di pula. Malata atapa azanga rabali load shedding. Itoma today because Jamnandas onoko kwala Eskom by fe Johan Rupert by fe the Oppenheimers Reskabali energy producing company rereke energy from private companies. Your Tura and poor families will never afford it. Until we must never allow it. I want to tell Cyril Ramaphosa today that if he can fire Pravin before the State of the Nation address, the State of the Nation address shall be about Pravin. We will stand up there, we will stop him from speaking, we will tell him you must fire Pravin because we must protect South Africa's asset. We are not going to allow them to steal the asset of South Africa under our watch. Pravin must go and Pravin must go now. Pravin, he can be trusted. He works for white monopoly capital. He's a dog of a white monopoly capital. He does everything for white monopoly capital. If Ramaphosa is not prepared to protect our assets by firing Pravin, then Ramaphosa must go. Ramaphosa himself must leave office because we want a president that will be able to stand and tell ministers when they are wrong and fire them. Ramaphosa can't fire Pravin. Why? Pravin is the one who went to London and went all over to raise money for Ramaphosa to be the president. That deal yabona, as it deal yarena, King Yosabona kwa konekwa, abaye solver kwa. They must not use South Africa to clinch deals. Yasuka yoletui. Ramaphosa reta mutswara ka mkhone re tshwere Zuma. Hasabatu tele da Ramaphosa. O da re tseba re bo ma. Ha re mo rapele ka selo Ramaphosa. Ramaphosa is nothing. Re ka mmea fase at any time and there will never be a problem in South Africa. Reklomuncha as a president, the sky will not fall. The same way Rinchigen Zuma, but Utloba leading to South Africa, Ntokai, in your dreams, not here. Ramaphosa must know that we do not play when we say Pravin must go. Comrades, if Minister of Public Enterprise was a black African. Apalelwa the way Pravin apalwang. Nkebe makwa kaofela, the company kaofela, but let this African must be removed. But because Pravin is a different person, but no, Pravin must move from a minister of enterprise to minister of finance. How can you fail as a junior minister and be given a senior minister? That is a madness. Look at the Arafat. We also know no ANC. Don't call ANC iashwa. Skepe siya nwelela. Why ukenya lutu mo skepe se nwelela ngkono. Utlo nwelela li ANC. How na ANC ele fund the grants. The grants tšeo ke tšhelete ya lona a se tšhelete ya ANC. ANC ha ina tšhelete e palela le go patela di-salary tša di-workers kwa officing ba ka ofa social grant ba palela go patela basebetsi. Social grant ka ofela lona mo le a patela tax le ha o sa bereke ha o reka roll on o re ska re betha ka trunk ya ngwala mola ya re vet wena wa ipatela tax o sa bereki. Social grants, it's our money. Oscar, hey, engas ba votele ba tankela social grants aba wetsetsi favor haba kainka come to the EFF retabalata, they will give it to you. Le RDP tse ba le champion le qualified, come to the EFF retabalata re ba botsore nomoro ya motho e tswile, give this person the RDP house ya ha. We don't want cowards now. Mamusa, political freedom started in Soweto, through Soweto uprising. Economic freedom, etoma Mamusa, Kalaburar. Ebat Batsuwa on Thursday, Bazwanjabar EFF in Kile Mamusa. The whole of South Africa will be following Mamusa. Lidi Bugata history dito kwalwa, start the revolution started in Mamusa. Amanda! Amanda! Awe Musa Mashodi, awe Ramaphosa, awe Jamnandas, down Pravin, go down. Pravin must go, 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 Pravin must go. Amanda! No Makubi, Siaya. Siaya, no Makubi, Siaya, Siaya, no Mabese Tubolas, Besi Shaya, Besi Bopas, no Mabese Tubolas, Besi Shayas, Besi Bopas, no Makubi, Siaya, Siaya. Who left, who right? Masa. Who left Kita, Kilame, Kirvatavata, Rumbo, Asicha. Where were you when I'm done? Where were you when I'm sitting? So fast, Kichi, Emoe, so fast, Kichi, Petate, Kichima, Zibram Konto, Alliance, kiss the poor, the farmer, kiss the poor, the farmer.